In this video, I want to discuss an AI automation agency hack that is pretty incredible, and it's actually thanks to a new feature that we just built here on Promptmate, and I'll show you in a bit what it is. But let's just talk for a few seconds about AI automation agencies. What you would be doing for your clients is automating their processes, their business operations, their workflows, or whatever they are offering, right? And you would mainly do that in three ways, right? There's the classic done for you, where you do everything for your client, and then you have the done with you, where you work alongside the client, guiding them through the implementation of all these automated workflows. And then there is this third scenario where you just give the client the tools and they handle the rest, right? So let me first guide you through this new feature that Promptmate has that mainly allows all this to be possible, right? So I'm talking about the possibility to make your AI apps public. So as you may have seen in our last videos, we create apps and then we can save them as templates, all these workflows, and automate different processes. But now, once that you have created and run your app successfully and you like it, besides saving it as a template and having it under your My Templates, what you can do for your client, let's say, is make it public for them. This is a complete game changer because this allows them to access these solutions even if they are not a Promptmate user, which is incredible. Let's just take, for example, one app. You click on the pen icon here, and right here at the bottom, you see this share button. You click on it and make app public. So all you have to do is click public available, copy this URL right here, right? And the only thing that you have to do, and this requires you to have a website, all you have to do is add the domain. Let me show you what it looks like once that you have done that. On a WordPress page, I created a few apps and added them in here. And this can be, if you want to call it your workstation, or you can build this for your client and put all their systems in here in case you are offering a done with you a service or a do-it-yourself service. So this is what they look like. It's very simple. All you have to do is just create, I don't know, let's say a structure. If we want to do two, we can do two. Here we add HTML. And then add the famous code that I just told to you, which is this one. All I have to do is add this little site I have here, put it in here, click enter, it appears in here, and then grab the URL, click save here. And then all you have to do is come in here and place the URL, and it will just appear. So what I'm doing here with this WordPress page is a very nice way of having all your workflows in one place. Let me show you what it would look like. Let's say here we say, what would you like to create? Let's say create a YouTube growth strategy, and then click on run. So as you can see, you have all the results here once the process is finished, and you can copy paste them or just put them somewhere else. But you have the solutions in one page. For example, as if your client was a social media marketing agency and he's interested in automating these processes, which is paid advertising, designing with AI, and social media content with captions, emojis. Just an example, right? So you create these three solutions or workflows on Promptmate, and then you put them in here. And then all you have to do is just give your client this website and say, here is all you needed to know. Now use these three to generate anything you want for your agency. This will be if they are an SEO company and let's say they want these three processes automated, and you create these three apps and just share them as I showed you earlier and give it to them like this, which is the best way you can deliver a service, right? If you don't have a website, well, all you have to do is come in here and just put all the URLs on a Google Sheet. And what it would look like, let me just show you with on incognito mode. This is what it would look like, right? I will also show you what it would look like if it's protected. So just turn protect app on here. Username is client SEO, password 1234, give an example. So now if we have this URL on incognito mode, as you can see, it's protected. So I have to say client SEO and the password was 1234 again. This is actually an incredible AI automation agency hack that can transform the way you build solutions for your clients and deliver your services for your AI automation agency. If you want to know how to build these apps, all you have to do is look at all the videos that I have published previously on this channel, and you will know how to build them. Now you know how to make them public or share them, and that's all you need to know for your AI automation agency. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.